Since I was born, my father was telling me, education, 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 education. I believe on education, I believe on long-term impact.
We do this because we really do hope and believe that getting a quality education today leads to better employment opportunities tomorrow.
Two years ago, I met Forrest on the World Humanitarian Summit, and just we were talking, and he told about his vision, giving peace via education, teaching the former warriors to peacekeepers. I was amazed by the idea. I said, okay, I am in.
The WU Scholars Program has helped me focus my attention and energy to my education and community. I plan on using it to educate the youth and adults in the community I grew up in, to provide them not only with educational opportunities, but also mentorship.
We have to do something. We can't turn our back.
It's all about what we can do together.